Okay, let's see. We've got so many people holding, maybe more than ever before. Let's try the 705 area code. Who's calling today from 705? And
Hi,
just as important, whoa, hold on a second. What's your name? Where are you calling from?
hi, I'm Larry. I'm calling from Ontario, Canada, actually.
Okay, Larry, your connection is one of the worst we've had. You're not talking into the phone through like a crinkled piece of paper, are you?
No, no, I was just moving around. Is it better now?
It's marginally better. What's your question?
I was just wondering I'm Canadian. I was wondering why it seems that Americans think that if you get a single payer healthcare system, that your insurance through your employer would go away. We have it here in Canada. Um, it covers a vast majority of things that don't get covered by our single payer system.
Well, I don't think
So I'm
everybody
just
does think that. I mean, yeah, listen, so there have been questions asked, does private insurance get made illegal if you get single payer or something like that? And most people say no, allow it to exist. It could cover optional procedures, it could cover cosmetic procedures, it could cover procedures at different facilities than maybe the single payer
ours covers
system.
stuff
But
like dental and sorry to cut you off there. Ours covers things like dental and eyewear, like for going to see a optometrist and things like that.
right, that's exactly right.
So it's just I don't know. It just seems to be. I guess maybe it's they're kind of trying to straw man the argument that people would lose insurance that they have through their employer. It
Well,
seems like,
lose
and
versus not need are two different things, and there's certainly no question that many employers would simply stop even offering to subsidize some kind of for-profit plan if instead there was some kind of single-payer plan available. That's all true, but I think the point is private insurance, if you don't outlaw it, it will still exist and it will still be available. It might cost more, might not make sense to pay for it, but it's still something that would exist.
I guess that makes sense. Maybe legislators should look at ways of having it so that it can exist to cover those things that would be outside of the single
Yeah,
payer.
you don't
I
even
just
need to
think
look
it's
at it. I mean, it exists, and as long as you don't outlaw private insurance, it'll continue to exist. Listen, I'm going to let you go because the connection is just I don't know what it sounds like. I don't even know what it sounds like, but I appreciate the phone call, and we'll continue to inform people on that issue.